You know, I remember running back in 2003, and one of the things I said is that government should be run more like a business. It's very, very difficult. It's a great statement, and it's a great campaign line. It's probably one of the most difficult things that can be done. But I think one of the things that what I found was that just because something has been done a certain way doesn't mean that's the way you do it in the future. And I think that there are a lot of business people that are serving now as mayors and village presidents that see it the same way. And we talk a lot at the conferences that we go to. What are you doing different? And so I think there's a lot of different things. I don't think there's one major thing. I think there's a lot of little things in municipal government that business people have walked in and changed over a period of time, and I think that's probably been helpful. It's probably the most helpful is just the communication, the sitting down and chatting with other mayors and village presidents to know what they're doing and what they're doing different. And it always makes you feel good when something that you tell 6 or 7 others and a light bulb goes off in their head makes you think that, wow, you've been doing something right. And you know, maybe they'll be able to pass it on.
Well, Mayor Tim Davlin, there's many more issues, but time is always, as I say, the enemy. Yeah. We appreciate you taking the time to share with us your thoughts on what's impacting state government. Good luck to you.
Thanks.
And your term, I guess, is up at, what, the end of September?
At the September annual conference, yep.
As far as being a municipal president.
That's right.
Thank you again.
Thanks a lot, Terry.